was my torturous idea to put you back in the car to attempt this again.
What's up, man? Into crest, into post. Oh my God.
We are back. We're back in Ohio for the Southern Ohio Forest Rally. So, as you might remember, about a year ago, Ken made me jump in the car, passenger seat, and attempt to do Alex Gelsomino's job, give rally pace notes with very little instruction whatsoever. Turns out, it's like the hardest job on the planet, Ken.
Now you appreciate Alex more, don't you?
I do. I already had an appreciation for Alex.
This was my torturous idea to put you back in the car to attempt this again.
This year, we're in a totally different car, and it's been raining all day, and it's supposed to actually rain like right now.
Yeah, it might get really sketchy.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can see the Subaru STI prepared by Vermont Sports Car is very dirty. We've done a whole day of testing here. This is only my second event, going into my second event in this car. I'm still learning it. We're still making changes to it. That's why we're here today. Now it's time to talk notes. So last time we explained notes, I'll do it again real quick. Alex Gelsomino, my co-driver, sits next to me. We've done recce of these roads, so we've driven down them. I've read out to him what I think the corner is, the distance between the corners, where we need caution, where I can cut. In my note system, that's corners from 1 to 6. And if you think about it in simple terms, 1 being first gear like a hairpin, 6 being a flat out corner, barely a bend at all. So yeah, there's lots of detail that goes into these, and the idea is to get down the stage as fast as possible and as safe as possible. All right, well, let's go inside the motorhome here. Meet with Alex, have you run through all the details of the notes and how to write them. You have to write today.
Hey, Alex.
Hey guys, how are you?
All right, here's the deal. Last year I did horrible.
Oh my God. 200 R6.
I wasn't prepared. Wasn't ready for the speed. Wasn't ready for the notes at all, or even how to do this. Can you give me some pointers this year, like a little bit more in depth?
Absolutely, and I apologize. At the end of the day, I was an instructor. It was my fault. I failed. So.
Oh, he's taking blame for your poor performance.
But I thought about it carefully, and I think that 2 things we should change compared to last year. First of all, you should write the notes in your handwriting. So that's the first step. The other thing, we're also gonna do a passo recce with you in the car, calling the notes, because last year we put you in the rally car without you having seen the roads, reading notes that were written by me. You had no idea what was going on.
Feel the car. I think you're gonna have a good time. You're gonna read the pace notes.
So you feel good? You ready?
Yeah.
It's a short stage.
Yeah.
So we'll do a passo recce with you in the recce car. So we'll see if that takes us to the next step of your co-driving.
Okay.
I'm gonna give you a book. You can't write the entire words and accessory notes that the driver calls you during the recce. You need to have a bit of a shorthand, otherwise you will fall behind.
Oh, Jesus.
Left 6 long, tightens 5 minus.
This is already too fast. 2 minus?
5 minus.
Off. We've crashed.
Into double caution jump. Double caution jump.
This is only the first quarter.
Yeah.
So it's pretty much, he's not using abbreviations yet. He's writing, words, full words like left, left, tightens, he's spelling the entire thing. Well, for tightens, I'm just using a little symbol. That's what I mean by shorthand, opens.
Oh, wait. We were doing it's that one. Yeah.
I like that you started writing your notes, writing left, left, and now he's writing L. So he's progressing.
Well, he's learning.
He's learning. And now we'll do the recce. It will make even more sense. Trust me.
Okay.
That's your favorite side of the car, right?
Yeah, right. I especially like the fact that now it's coming down.
Oh my God. Sometimes you call something and your eyes are like, shit, I don't see what I just called. Don't stop. You doubt yourself. Am I in the right place? You are. 9 times out of 10 you are. Just keep calling. 50. Left 5 plus. Into crest. 50. Right 5 plus. Right 4 plus. Repeat. 50. Right 4 plus.
I need to try that a bunch of times before I'm really gonna get it.
We've actually given you a few more tools this time.
A little bit.
To figure it out.
Yeah, this is way more instruction than the last time.
Yeah, we just threw you the wolves last time to see if you could hack it. But I think it's an interesting thing though, because not only did you get thrown to the wolves, it's as if a YouTuber was sitting there saying, "Can't be that hard to sit there and read some notes."
Yeah.
Right? I think it's incredibly hard. You know,
It's really hard.
but now you actually saw what it took just to get thrown into it. But now you're getting at least a bit of education and a better explanation of how to succeed at it as opposed to just hacking it. You're still gonna fail.
You know what? I appreciate your confidence in my skill set. So, how about this? You guys are gonna go out again, right? And do some testing. Why don't I watch some video and study these and see if I can do it like Alex does? I obviously can't, but I can get better at it.
That's a great idea. And video, recce video, is the next step. It's the next tool for you to improve as a co-driver.
Right 5, final stop, into left 6 plus, into short left 5, into right 5, into left 4 plus, open long, 30, left 5, minus 3, left 5, stop.
I know Kung Fu.
Are you nervous?
Yeah, dude.
You know,
I'm already like, you know, you're great behind the wheel. I just, you know, I'm not a big fan of sitting in this side of the car.
Me either.
Yeah, you feel me?
So we prepared you more this time.
Yes.
Like, what's your chances? How are you feeling on this?
Okay, I feel significantly better than I did last year. I watched videos of it. I still feel like I don't exactly know when I'm supposed to call these, so I'm just gonna literally try to read off the page as best as possible. So 10.
Hey,
Oh,
good luck.
thanks, Ken. All right, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 30 left, 6 long. Tight. 5 minus. Into right 6 plus 50. Left 5 plus into crest. Into holy, oh my god. Into. Oh Jesus, holy.
The 4, don't. Here's a 4 plus. This is 5 long. Titans 4 plus. You already gave up?
I flipped up, man. Tell me when we hit the very long.
So this is a 3 that's coming up right here. 3 plus.
Okay.
So you can start over there if you want.
Plus. Okay. Right 5 plus.
This one's fun.
Oh shit. 4 plus crest open. Kicks 150.
So this is a 4 minus.
Right 4 minus long.
Yep.
And left 4 plus long open. And left 5 long open. Finish right. Yo, this thing is so fast.
I think you should try again.
Yeah. I looked up and I immediately just lost everything.
Right. The problem with looking up is unless you know where you are in the notes, like Alex sometimes doesn't look up at all in the stages. Sometimes he'll look up a couple times, but he's got to know where he is.
Yeah.
Like, so when he looks back down.
It's just so fast. Can we go again?
Yeah.
Oh, hell yeah, okay.
All right, attempt number 2. See if you can make it further.
I hope so. I got to make it 1 page, man. I made it like halfway through the page. And then so, you ready?
Yep.
Round 2, fight! 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 30 left, 6 long. Tighten 5 minus into right 6 plus 50. Left 5 plus into crest. Right 5 cut. Into left 5 minus. minus, going.
There we are. Okay.
Okay, King 70.
Yep.
Okay, line, left 4 plus, hook, into, right 5 minus, open, tighten, 4 plus, very long, 70.
Yep.
Line, right 5 plus, over crest, 30, left 4 plus, long, into care, right 5 plus, over crest, 20, left 3 plus, long, 50, right 5 plus.
Oh, you're still on it. Look at it. Here's the 4 plus. Tighten.
Tighten, opens into crest 20, right 4, opens 200.
Ooh.
Okay, crest into right 6 plus 30, left 5, minus, long, open, into, finish, 50.
Oh, you
Right
did
4
it.
plus.
Oh.
Whoa, I made it through all the pages?
Yeah.
Holy shit! Oh!
You got way behind, but that's all right. I mean, you did it.
I just, oh man, I didn't look up. That helps.
Oh yeah? Didn't look up at all.
I did not look up at all.
Wow.
It's terrifying to look up. It's so fast, dude.
Oh man,
You did it.
that was fun.
Way more success than
Hey,
last time.
you know what? It does help to have like a little practice time. But
And luckily the stage was very short. Normally, you know, stages in Raleigh are between 7 and 20 miles on, you know, average for a national event like this. And that stage was only 1.6 miles. So,
yeah,
nice work. You got
Thank
a long
you.
ways to go. It definitely shows a little more preparation. You could get a little closer.
well, dude, this thing boogies. It's very fast and it's very comfortable.
Yep.
It's actually surprisingly comfortable. It's kind of like, you don't expect it. It's kind of like riding a Cadillac out there that's just nosediving at like 100 miles an hour and like, you know, just gripping.
So now you have a little experience of Alex.
Yeah.
Well done.
Of Alex
Thank you.
schooling.
Making
Alex-
your teacher proud.
Well, thank you.
done. Yeah.
Alex actually teaches co-driving when he's not in the race car with me. So now you see what a little bit of teaching can do.
Oh yeah, Alex, I
Proud of
really
you.
appreciate it. It's, I can't imagine what your like actual courses are like. I'm sure it's like not ripping through in the 10 minutes we have to spare.
Yeah, I'm stoked that you did a good job, and next time we'll keep improving and progressing you.
Next time. Next time.
Oh man, there's got to be another time. Man, well, I'm happy that the rain held out. It's like literally just starting to rain again. So, guys,
Wrap it
good
up.
stuff. Alex, thank you so much.
Thanks, buddy. Well
All right, I never want to get in that seat again. That's it.